Hey guys, Tony here. It's all over. This version of my theatre, that is. So stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to give you a full breakdown of what I've got planned, all the upgrades and the dismantling of this theatre. Some of the changes that I'll be doing, you can hear now there's probably a huge echo because I have removed all of the acoustic panels out of my room. So all the speakers are gone except for the in-ceiling ones, which I'm just going to leave there for the moment so as I don't get any creepy crawlies coming through the holes. All my floor level speakers as well as my acoustic panels are gone. It's amazing to hear the echo in here now. I have some exciting upgrades coming. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I have some KRIX MX speakers coming, which is going to be a wall of sound. Really exciting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a quick walk through my house and the various things. This theatre is pretty much in pieces now. I'm just in the middle of installing the tracks for my star ceiling, so I'll be doing that with my dad a little bit later today, as well as finishing off the star ceiling and waiting for the speakers to arrive. I've got some drywall work that needs to be done to build the alcove and a few other bits and pieces, so they'll be coming in some future videos where I'll show how that's done, as well as relocating all the speakers out to my living area with my 100-inch VIVIDSTORM floor raising screen and my VIVA 4K projector, where that's where I'll be setting up a 7.2.4 system. It won't be textbook because I cannot put side surrounds because I have a floor to ceiling glass window right outside my pool, so I definitely can't put speakers there, as well as I can't put speakers on the other side because it's open plan. So I'll be putting 6 in-ceiling speakers and then obviously my front soundstage. So actually no, it's going to be 5.2.4. Anyway, I'll show you that coming up in the video. So as you can see guys, this is the soundstage where the KRIX MX10s will be going. So I will be building a platform up from the bottom of the screen, as you can see, and it will come out to the front of the column and it will go all the way across over to this column. And then all of this empty space that's there will be filled up with acoustic material and then gibrocked across the top, or sheetrock as you call it over in the States. And then this screen here will be brought forward so that it is in line with the front pillar. So the speakers will be going behind that screen, and yes, I do need to upgrade that screen material to acoustically transparent material. But that's the upgrade I've got. That little TV unit that I've got there, which is from IKEA, will be going upstairs into my bedroom so that I'll be using it with the TV upstairs. As you can see from the rest of my theatre, it's pretty much in pieces now. I don't have any acoustic panels, as well as the projector has been removed, and you will see that I have some beams running across the top. Those beams are for the star ceiling panel. So I'll give you a little quick overlay of the process sped up a little bit, just a sneak teaser of the video that will be coming for the star ceiling. So as you can see guys, the seating here will all be gone. Next week it's going to be picked up and taken away by the furniture company, and the room will be vacant until my new theatre seating arrives. It's coming from overseas. I won't drop too much of a hint about where it's coming from at this point. I'm still in the process of finalizing all the details, but yes, these will be gone and I will have a single row of seating. These seats here in the front will be gone. So I will just be having 3 single chairs all joined together across the back row. And those wall sconces at the back will be removed because I need to put my KRIX symmetric speakers there, and I will be using the speakers which are currently in the bulkhead for my rear surrounds. They will become rear height speakers. The 2 speakers you can see on the wall at the moment, which are at sort of ear height on the sides, they're currently Monitor Audio WSS 430s. They will be replaced as well by the KRIX symmetric speakers. Then if you look up, you will see I have some speakers in the bulkhead. Those speakers will also be replaced by the KRIX Atmospherics A20s, and you can see there on the back chair, that is where the projector currently is while we install this star ceiling. So that's the Epson TW9300. It's a really great projector. I'm very happy with it. I have no plans to upgrade that one. It does the job. The black levels are great, the colors, everything about it I really like. So guys, this is my living room, and you can see that I've moved my speakers out from the theatre and place them around the soundstage. So this includes my 2 Klipsch R12 SWI wireless subwoofers. They have gone in each corner. Now nothing is wired up as yet. I have just placed them there because I wanted to test the waters with the wife. She's not too happy with how it looks at the moment, so I don't know how far I'm going to get with this setup, but what I did is I did buy some really nice bookshelf stands, and you can see them there. I'll give you a quick time lapse of me putting them together so that you can see how nice and easy these were, and they've come with the little isolation feet and suction cups, so yeah, they look really nice. I'm really happy with them, and I do hope that the wife will allow me to keep them out here. I do have my center channel there. It's currently placed behind the VIVIDSTORM screen because that VIVIDSTORM screen will be mounted to the wall, again pending wife acceptance factor, and the VAVA projector will be going onto the top of the TV unit with the center channel that you can see at the moment, which is behind the VIVIDSTORM screen that will go into the alcove down the bottom. So that's the setup. Pretty much relocated my entire ear-level speakers, minus the 2 in-wall speakers for the side surrounds. As you can see, I'll give you a little pan around. You see I have a big window and it goes all the way to the top. So there's really nowhere, because part of the design of the house was to have the swimming pool right outside the glass window. So yeah, I can't really put anything there. And same goes for the rear, because I have windows at the rear as well. And you can see from here, I have no wall. It's just go straight to the kitchen because it's open plan living. You see, I will be placing my in-ceiling speakers, which are in my theatre now. I will be placing them up there. Shouldn't be too difficult to get that happening. So before I finish the video, I will give you a little demo of how this VAVA projector works with the VIVIDSTORM screen, because it has a remote trigger in the back which will send a signal to the projector screen so that it will raise, and I'll show you that right now. I'll press the on button and you can see that the screen starts to rise. I have done a review on this projector screen. You can find it in the card section up above, so do check that out, as well as I have left links in the description if you'd like to buy one. We do have a Discord server, so do consider joining that. Links are in the description down below. You can join that and connect with other like-minded home theatre enthusiasts. Righto guys, that's it for this one. You'll catch me in the next one. Bye for now.